Go for this save as and save this file with again.
Okay, just a moment.
अनूप ये पहला क्लस्टर्ड बा ये करना है.
हाँ, clustered column chart.
ओके.
Category and sales, and you have to convert into this clustered column chart.
Just tell me after selecting this clustered column chart,
You
what
have to
steps to do?
you have to perform that formatting, added the data labels, remove the x-axis title and y-axis title. That is formatting done in the titles, rounded corners and everything. The same which we have seen the last time as well, the same formatting I have done. Chart, then format visuals. In detail labels, I selected this category and percentage of total.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, how did you change the font of total sales, total profit, total quantity?
The header or this
Yes,
value?
the header, both of them.
So for the header, no, we have seen that, right? For the header in general, then that is a title. So you can change from here.
Okay, but when I go to title, it goes to sales summary dashboard. It doesn't go to the individual titles.
You have selected that summary dashboard because of that one. You have to select this card, right?
Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
How can we do that?
You can select, click on this one card, hold the control key and click on the rest of the others like this.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
Format visuals and this data labels you have to turn on.
Okay. Okay. जब मैं बार पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ तो कितनी बार वो कलर और ऊपर की जो वैल्यूज है, टोटल सेल्स, टोटल प्रॉफिट, वो चेंज हो रहे हैं? मतलब जिस मैं अगर उस पर होवर कर रही हूँ तो वो चेंज हो रहा है ऐसा? हाँ हाँ, सेम सेम सेम.
That is basically the linkages. Okay. अगर आप अभी किसी पे भी क्लिक करोगे सारे आपस में कनेक्टेड हैं. Okay, if you will click on any of these or related to that, you will be able to see the graphs over here.
जैसे किसी को प्रिसाइसली डेटा इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए होगा तो वो उस हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंगली देख सकता है, राइट?
Correct.
ओके ओके, ठीक है.
And again, if you will click on that, so it will get removed from that. From here, visualizations in detail labels, this label content.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. The pie chart you are talking about, right?
नहीं नहीं, ये सेल्स बाय कैटेगरी में क्या किया था आपने वो जस्ट?
Data labels,
हाँ.
this one. The 10 minutes of the time, the formatting which you have implemented, just recall that formatting. Okay, क्योंकि आप लोगों को formatting में ही काफी issue आ रहा है, which we have seen the last time as well. So I'm just giving the 10 minutes to you guys. आप लोग के पास 10 मिनट मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. So just go into this in 10 minutes. Recall all the formatting which you have applied in all the visuals what we have created today. Font related, values font related, labels, everything. Okay, and use the pen and paper and jot down the steps as well, that in this column chart. Okay, if I want to add the data labels, then I need to go here and here I will find that. Okay, because these kind of formatting you will implement every time into your dashboard. So if you are forgetting that formatting options where it is coming, so that will be the really challengeful for you. So now I'm just giving the 10 minutes time to you. Just recall that formatting, write down into your own words, into your pen and paper, just take it and write it down. Okay, just recall everything. After 10 minutes, I will just continue. Label contents, you can see the category and percentage of total. This is
वन
what I
मिनट
embedded.
1 मिनट डेटा लेबल्स में जाना ना बस
Detail labels.
डिटेल लेबल्स
तो ये सारे steps आप लिखो, because if you'll forget all these steps, then that will be the quite challenging for you. Okay, now your 10 minutes starts now. So just write down at your end. Then after that we will start. Thank you.
Yes. I mean, what's the first step? Like first I should copy paste Control C, Control V, and then select the segment, right?
Right.
And then, but I don't have to, then I have to select the cluster chart also.
Yes, you have to select this clustered column. Which
Oh,
chart you have copied?
I have copied the sales by category.
Sales by category, this one?
Yes, yes.
Okay, if you have copy and pasted, then
Yeah.
you have to change only this category to this segment.
Yeah, I did that, but it's coming the pie color, orange, blue colors.
So you have copied this pie chart, na?
I didn't do
If
that.
you
Okay.
if you have copied the pie chart, then you will see that kind of a formatting.
Okay. Only then I have to change the x-axis.
X-axis title, Y-axis title, you have to
Okay.
remove, and data
Yes,
labels
yes.
you
Those
have to,
formatting.
yes,
Yeah,
those
got it, sir. Okay.
okay. That if user select any of the year, then all the visualization should reflect for the selected year. Okay, then so the year, quarter, month, these filters I want to give. So when you want to give any slicer option or filter options to the user, then you have to use this slicer. Please make sure this slicer, not this one. Okay, slicer new you do not have to use as of now. Just go with this slicer. So once you click on this slicer, then go into this order date, expand this hierarchy and just select only the year. Once you select the year, it will come like this. Okay, in the scroller. I want to convert into drop down. So go into format visuals, go into slicer setting. You have to select this drop down from here. Now it converted to the drop down. Okay, you have to select and you have to place it somewhere like this. Okay, and just give the rounded corners. So general, effect, visual border, and 11 pixels rounded corners. That's it. Okay, so now this is added here. So year is showing now. Okay, if I click on this drop down, the year will reflect. Change accordingly. Okay, here if you want to select the multiple years, So you can select the visualization, yes, sorry, select the slicer, format visuals, go into slicer setting and go into selection, and you have to turn off this option. Okay, multi-select with this control, you have to turn off this option. If you turn this off, you can select the multiples from here now, like this. Otherwise, holding the control key, you have to select. But now, without holding, you can add. Okay. If you want to add the select all, that before this 2011, there the select all option also should come. Then you can see this select all and you can turn this on. So now in the drop down, that select all option will be added as well, like this. Okay. And if you want that at a one time only the one value should be selected, so in that case you can use this single select, so all the values will be converted into the radio button, like this. So user can select one value at a time. Okay. For the multiple values, you have to turn off this single select value. So now I have created this. Now Control C, Control V of this slicer. Keep it side, and here I will remove this year and I will select this quarter from here. So you can see the quarters. Similarly, Control C and Control V. Then here I will remove this quarter and select the month. So the month will come. Okay, like this. Now, first of all, just add these three slicers, year, quarter, and month. Then I will just move ahead. Setting option is in the right hand side, what I did. Drop down and turn off this and this. This one. आपको कुछ इस तरीके से दिख रहा है? Just to let me know.
Just ड्रॉप डाउन पे क्लिक किया था.
ऐसे आपको कुछ इस तरीके से दिख रहा है ड्रॉप डाउन में?
वैसे
See
ड्रॉप डाउन मुझे ऐसा नहीं दिख रहा है, मुझे डायरेक्टली इसमें आ रहा है, लाइक डेट्स आ रही है, जैसे 1 जनवरी 2011, 2 मार्च 2011, कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है.
only you have selected the year or not?
So only I selected the order date, then date hierarchy, then year.
No, or okay. Just share the screen. Control V. You can add more filter. Like suppose I want to give the filter of the country to the user. Then Control C and Control V. I want to give the subcategory filter to the user. So I will remove and I will select the subcategory. This one. Okay. Then Control C and Control V. You can give the state filter also. Okay, like this. So now I have given the filter to the user and user can select and user can perform. But now if you see one more important thing, okay, because this is user is not going to tell you, you are a developer, you are developing a dashboard, all these things you have to take care of. Now if you have, I have given suppose this country to the user that you can select from the drop down. If I say user need to select the India, so if you have a long list of the country, then user has to scroll it down like this one by one and then user has to select where the India is coming, and then user will select that. So it is a time consuming activity or not,
Yes, so
right? If I give the functionality to the user that there should be the some search option, and if you type this India, so India will come automatically. Okay, so what I will do, you can select that slicer, click on this more option in three dots ellipsis, and you can click on this search. That's it. Now if I click on this down arrow, can you see this search option here,
Yes.
right? If I
yes.
type the India, you can see, correct? User can type it and user can select it from here, and it will work. Okay.
अनुप टेल मी वन थिंग, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे टोटल ऑफ 6 फिल्टर्स लगाए, ठीक है, तो हम एट अ टाइम एक ही फिल्टर यूज कर सकते हैं कि एक साथ 2 या 3
नहीं
भी
नहीं,
use कर सकते
मल्टीपल्स, आपको जितने फिल्टर यूज करने हैं आप उतने फिल्टर यूज कीजिए। इट्स
हैं?
नॉट अबाउट एट अ वन टाइम। आपको देखना है ईयर 2011 में Q4 में कितना सेल्स हुआ, आप यहाँ से ईयर में 2011 को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिएगा, क्वार्टर
ओके,
में जाके Q4 सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए।
ठीक है,
आप जो भी जितना चाहो उतना फिल्टर सेलेक्ट करो, इट्स अप टू यू।
ठीक है, ठीक है, गॉट इट।
ओके, ठीक है। सो दिस इज बेसिकली द सर्च ऑप्शन। ओके, आप लोग इसको क्रिएट करो, एंड आफ्टर दैट what you have to do is you have to add one another page, and that you guys need to create for the profit summary dashboard. So where I have used the sales figures in the graph, okay, in the graphs I have used the sales, in on those places you have to use the profit. That's it. So this is sales dashboard page I have renamed, and similarly you have to add a new page and the same kind of a formatting and everything, and that needs to be as a profit summary dashboard. That's it. Just create this one and do let me know once this is done, then you guys can share the screen. The assignment for you today, and tomorrow we will see the some more add, we will add some more fields into this, and then we will see how we can publish this one.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anup,
Yeah.
just one thing I just wanted to ask. For example, see if this in this page we have added this slices or filters.
Hmm.
So after creating the profit dashboard, we'll create that same kind of slicers over there.
Hmm.
Is
Right.
there any option to have a
For
slicer or filter for all the pages what we have in this particular file, or else only one only I mean particular filters for only one page?
no, 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 no. What we can do, if you want to show the same filters into the other pages also, right? So you can copy this and you can paste into the other page.
No, what I'm asking is if we select the filter like year 2020, 11 or something else,
Hmm.
so it can be applicable to other pages as well.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Got it. So your question is that if your slicer is existing in the this one page and
Hmm.
you have a multiple uh, dashboard pages, so if you select any of the year from here, so other visualization in other pages will reflect or not, correct?
Yes.
Yes. That is a sync slicer. We will see that. Yes, that is
Okay.
possible. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so just do the practice still here, and tomorrow we will continue it from here. Okay, and just keep this dashboard with you. Please save that file so you guys can continue from here only. Okay.